Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to build an agent using N8N. So first you will have to open your N8N dashboard and then you will have to click create workflow or new workflow and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will have to start with a webhook trigger, Telegram, or cron node based on how you want the agent to be activated. Then you will add a set node to clean or transform incoming data. Then add an OpenAI, HTTP, or function node to process logic. Use decision-making nodes to like IF, switch, or merge so that you will be able to customize flow. And the workflow with an output node like HTTP response, email, or Telegram send message. Test your workflow, save it, and toggle activate, which is right here. And then your agent is now live and functional. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching.